Okay, so this spring, what you want to do is you kind of want to push this up against your waist, push this in, and then you're going to put the spring in this way. And then you're going to put your spring in this way. So push it forward, and you feel that little notch hole right up here. And then you want to squeeze it in on this side. Then you kind of maneuver, pushing in on this side. Then you get it back over to that little hole there. And then just kind of push it forward a little bit. Again, against your waist. Okay, so you have it basically set up like that.